Welcome to this edition of Travel Around Places. Continuing from our last video, today we are visiting the famous Tuljapur temple, dedicated to Goddess Bhavani. Tuljapur is well connected by road, and you can reach the temple from Solapur by bus, taxi, or private vehicle. The temple is about 2 kilometers from Tuljapur bus stand, making it easily accessible on foot or by auto. Darshan timings are usually from 5 am to 10 pm, with Aarti and Puja held at specific intervals during the day. The best time to visit is during early mornings or weekdays to avoid heavy rush, especially during Navratri when it attracts large crowds. Plan your trip accordingly for a peaceful darshan and a comfortable spiritual experience. From the hotels in Tuljapur, you can easily take autos to reach the temple. Other local transport options are very limited, so self-transport is the best choice for convenience. The temple is just a short ride from the main town and bus stand, making it easy to access. As we reach the entrance of the temple, you'll notice the vibrant atmosphere. There are many stalls lined up, offering prasad, flowers, and other devotional items. This lively approach adds to the spiritual charm before entering the holy shrine. At the main entrance of Tuljapur temple, you'll find stalls serving sugarcane juice, snacks, and other refreshments. The lively atmosphere outside sets the tone before entering the holy shrine. Devotees must deposit their shoes at the counters near the entrance. This organized system ensures cleanliness and respect within the temple premises. The Tuljapur temple, dedicated to Goddess Bhavani, is one of the most revered Shakti Peethas in Maharashtra. It is believed to have been built in the 12th century during the reign of the Yadav dynasty. The presiding deity, Goddess Bhavani, is worshipped as a form of Parvati, symbolizing power and protection. Legends say that Goddess Bhavani gifted the Bhavani sword to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, blessing him in his battles. The temple has long been a spiritual center for Maratha rulers, saints, and devotees across India. Architecturally, it reflects ancient Hindpanthi style, with intricate stone carvings and sacred structures. The idol of Bhavani is carved in black stone, adorned with rich ornaments and traditional attire. The temple became a hub of devotion, especially during Navratri and major festivals, attracting thousands of pilgrims. Over the centuries, Tuljapur temple has stood as a symbol of faith, courage, and divine energy for millions. As we enter the temple premises, you can see sacred water flowing at the entrance. Devotees gently collect this water as part of their ritual. Many place it reverently on their heads as a mark of purity and blessing. This act symbolizes cleansing before seeking the goddess's darshan. It reflects the deep faith and devotion of the pilgrims visiting Tuljapur. As we step into the main temple premises, the atmosphere becomes truly divine. Devotees can be seen standing patiently in long queues, waiting for darshan of Goddess Bhavani. The lines move slowly, yet with great faith and discipline, reflecting their devotion. Many are seen with folded hands, chanting prayers and seeking blessings. Some devotees perform special pujas and rituals with offerings of flowers, coconuts, and prasad. The fragrance of incense and the sound of temple bells fill the air. Priests guide the rituals, ensuring each devotee's prayers are offered with respect. Every face in the crowd reflects hope, gratitude, and spiritual surrender. The energy here feels powerful, as if the goddess herself blesses her children. This sacred moment leaves every devotee with a sense of peace and fulfillment. The Tuljapur Bhavani temple was originally built in the 12th century. It was expanded and patronized by the Bhosle dynasty and Maratha kings, including Shivaji Maharaj. The temple is designed in the Hindpanthi style of architecture, known for its black stone construction. Its walls and pillars feature intricate carvings and detailed stonework reflecting medieval craftsmanship. The sanctum houses the idol of Goddess Bhavani, carved in black basalt stone and richly adorned. Over centuries, the temple has been renovated, but it still preserves its ancient spiritual aura and design. From the temple premises, you can enjoy a panoramic view of the surrounding landscapes. On a clear day, even parts of Solapur can be seen in the distance, adding to the charm. Darshan at the Tuljapur Bhavani temple usually begins early morning with the Kakad Aarti. Devotees offer coconuts, flowers, saris, and prasad to seek blessings from the gods. Special pujas and abhishekams are performed by priests on request. During Navratri and major festivals, the temple witnesses huge gatherings of pilgrims. Prasad counters are available inside the premises, offering laddus and sweets blessed by the deity. The experience of darshan here is believed to bring strength, protection, and fulfillment of wishes. Entry into the Tuljapur temple is open for all devotees with well-managed queues. Special darshan arrangements are available for those who wish to avoid long waiting times. During festivals and Navratri, the crowd increases and security is heightened for smooth flow. At the entrance, devotees pass through security checks before entering the premises. This organized system ensures a safe and peaceful darshan experience for everyone. The presiding deity of Tuljapur is Goddess Bhavani, worshipped as a form of Parvati, symbolizing power and protection. The idol is carved out of black basalt stone, giving it a unique and divine presence. It is beautifully adorned with ornaments, flowers, and a traditional sari offered by devotees. Legends say that Goddess Bhavani gifted the Bhavani sword to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, blessing his victories. The temple and idol hold deep significance in the Maratha history and culture. Built in the 12th century by the Yadava dynasty, the shrine later received royal patronage from the Marathas. The idol rests in the sanctum sanctorum, radiating a powerful aura that attracts thousands daily. Over centuries, the temple has become a symbol of faith, courage, and divine strength for devotees. As we come to the end of this visit to Tuljapur temple, we hope our video gave you useful insights. Your support means a lot to us. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will continue bringing you more journeys to sacred and beautiful places. May Goddess Bhavani bless all devotees with peace, strength, and prosperity.